Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. And if you need any other help also, so you can contact also. Now the question number 5b is, what is the solar constant and what is its value on Earth? Second is, read the source given below and answer the question that follows it. Aditya-L1 is a satellite for studying the solar atmosphere, designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organization and various other Indian space research institutes. The spacecraft is placed at a spatial point called as Lagrangian point 1 of the Sun-Earth system, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. Aditya-L1 stays approximately 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, directed towards the Sun, which is about 1% of the Earth-Sun distance. Using above data, estimate solar energy reaching the region around L1 point per unit area per unit time. So if you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp and we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.